I'm nervous.
Forgive me, Father, but I gotta take a chance. Oh, I'm already gone, so blessed. Pray for me.
I am so excited about today's video, like you have no idea. I'm excited and nervous at the same time, okay? I might have mentioned it already once or so in a video. I am terrible at twisting my hair. Terrible. Braids I can do. I can braid my hair, I can braid other people's hair, I can do that in my sleep. But when it comes to twisting my hair, terrible, okay? So lo and behold, the other day I was scrolling through YouTube as you usually do, like after praying, I saw this thumbnail and I was like, oh my God, she's using something to twist her hair? That is interesting. Now I wonder if that's the same contraption they always bring out that and they don't really consider like coarse hair and natural hair like ours. So I decided to click the video even with doubt, and I saw Amber. By the way, that was my first time finding her. I'll put a link to the video down below. I saw her using this twist. I was like, oh my God, it's twisting her hair. Now granted, her hair is way longer than mine and probably healthier. And then I clicked the link in her description, and lo and behold, Amazon said that they shipped to Australia. I was like, literally, I decided to Google it and put Australia behind it, and I found this one. Same too, different brand, but I'm still excited to try it out. Now, looking at this, you'll think this is not for a black person, because look at that. Look at the picture on the box. How great would it be for the, anyway, whatever. Let's just move on. But let's just go ahead and try this video. Oh, by the way, hey FamBam, I hope you're doing fantastic. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Esther, aka MsTopacJay. Okay, if you like foundation test videos, makeup videos, first impression videos, hair videos occasionally as well, make sure to subscribe down below, turn notification, and without further ado, let's just straight into this video. I'm just gonna go ahead and take out my cornrows because we need it. This one is by Scunchi, okay? So apparently this is supposed to twist your hair. And this was actually very affordable. Here in Australia it was like $25 or $29. It's purple, my favorite color. So this is what it looks like. From watching her video, the one she got was battery operated. Oh, I can't open this one. Ooh, this looks like a taser. So we've got instruction, I think. I don't know what that is. Oh, I see Conair on here. It's actually by Conair as well, but it says Scunchi, so I think it's a subsidiary or it's a branch of Conair. It is a Conair product, but it slaps Scunchi or Scunchi on the... You see that? So it's the same brand. Okay, we've got tools. There's nothing else in there. All right, we've got this that looks like one of those things brides put on their thighs for their husband to use their teeth to take off. And we've got bobby pins. We've got tiny little hair bands and hair tie. That's really cool. And this is the contraption itself that looks like a taser. Am I ruining it? Oh, it's battery operated. Oh, I need the screwdriver. She said it. I'm gonna need to go and find a tiny screwdriver. You're kidding, right? Okay, I'll be right back. All right, couldn't find my screwdriver. Yes, Crocodile Dundees will be proud. Let me turn it on. It has these dials, so that's off. Hey! Oh, you hold it. You keep holding it. Oh! Love that. Hey, let's do this. And if this rips out my hair, I'm suing. So let me just moisturize it. I'm just gonna put this Argan Oil Serum by Sky. Oh, I can't believe I'm combing out my twist out. Whew. There we go. All right, so it says press the button. It doesn't, okay, so I guess I part my hair, take out a section, divide it into two, and it says press the button to raise the tweezer. Oh, these two buttons right here. Oh, and then I hook it on it. Press the button to raise the tweezer and release the button so that the hair is firmly held by the tweezer. I can't see. I can't see. Okay. And then press this button. Okay. Hey, this will either take out my hair from the roots or from the, I don't know. Okay. Slide switch up to 1 and the tweezer will rotate, twisting the individual strands. To create the perfect twist, slide switch to 2 and the styler will join the strands to create the twist. Place an elastic band or clip in the hair to hold the twist in place. Well, they didn't give me a lot, so we have like 6 or so in there. Repeat the steps to create even more fabulous twist. All right, let's do this. Hey, I'm nervous. It's twisting. Hey, ow. The more I go, the more it hurts. Hey, okay. So we have a twist. So now I'm going to twist. Guys, I have a tiny micro twist. Oh my God. So now I release it. I didn't do the end. I don't know how to do the end though. It's so defined. My roots kind of hurts though. I wish you could get the roots as well, but it doesn't. So maybe I need to like start the roots and then attach it. Can you feel? You can't feel it, duh, Esther. Okay, one thing I want to try though is unraveling it. Like, how hard would it be to unravel? Oh no. Oh, okay, you just find the hole. But this is so defined. All right, so it wouldn't ruin my hair, so that's good. Let's get a big piece. Ooh. Okay, and now two. Hey, it released. It didn't want to stay. Hang on. Okay. Hey, it's hurting now. That was tight. Are you kidding? It's not coming off. Don't panic. Just trust the process. But though, like, look at that though. That's a nice twist. Oh my God. Who sent me now, eh? Hey, did I rip my hair? Oh no, I didn't. Hey, we have a twist. So even though the hair twisting tool worked really well with my hair, you know, in terms of twisting it, I just didn't know how to style it, okay? And I actually rocked it for a couple of days, but before that, I went ahead and I tried it with an extension actually, just to see how it's gonna go. So I'm gonna use this extension right here. It's kind of like an expression, but not as shiny, but it's still a little bit more soft and silky. So I basically braided the roots, and then I used the hair twisting tool to twist my hair. All right, is it gonna stay? Very loose, isn't it? Very loose. Let's try a smaller one. Why not? This hair. Ow! I'll hide it. It's okay. That's tighter. It looks tighter and feels tighter. Do you know what I mean? I'll hide that. I think one day when I don't have to study for exam, I'll sit down and do this one right here. Like, I'll braid the end neatly and then just use the machine to do the twist. So after a few days had passed, literally after working the twist under my wig for about a week, I went to the African store and I picked up myself another hair extension. This one is much closer to my hair texture. It's kind of like those Mali type of texture kind of braids. It's not as silky as the other extension I used earlier, and like it's much thicker, okay? It feels like my hair, but a little bit drier, all right? And I also use things like Got To Be gel around my edges as well to kind of make things look a little bit more flat and more laid. So I braided my hair with the extension first, and then I went ahead and I used the hair twisting tool. Sometimes I would also use a hairband, you know, that I bought at the store to kind of, you know, secure the extension to my roots a little bit more, even though I didn't really need it, okay? But yeah, I kind of alternated, but I found this to work really, really nicely. It just looks like my hair, but longer, even though the texture of the extension is still a little bit dry. But yeah, I'm definitely going to be using this hair twisting tool whenever I have hairs like whenever I have extensions like this that's not as silky or too smooth, so that way like it can look really nice and natural, like kind of like a dreadlock kind of texture. Love that. But yeah, so just keep watching me using the hair twisting tool to twist my hair, okay? Love this. So I realized that it was going to take me a little while pre-braiding the hair, and I didn't want to do it on camera, so I went ahead and did it off camera. So here we go. Look at that. I've got a full head of hair. looking like a lion goddess, okay? And now I'm going to go ahead and start using the hair twisting tool. All right, let's do this.
control.
Mary Jane, stop talking. Look at this. Look at that, look at that, look at that. I just did twists without using my fingers. I just had to use my palm to hold the bloody thing. What am I saying? Look at that, look at that. What's wrong with me? Oh, the audio quality is gonna sound so bad, but I look like a little kid. Ooh, what is this? All right, so my mic is on. The audio quality now sounds better, doesn't it? I apologize for the bad audio quality before this, but anyway, as I was saying, this looks good. Okay, now I don't remember what I was gonna say before I picked up the. Oh yeah, that's right. So what I am doing is actually, I think I'm gonna leave it to the end. So you see these really big ones, like they don't really look as, you know, 70% defined as this one does. So what I did with the other ones was I unraveled it and then basically just split it into two and then twist each section on its own. Do you know what I mean? Because I do have a few that where I have like really big extensions like this. So basically I'm just gonna split it into two and then twist it on its own. Do you know what I mean? Let me keep going. I'll keep going. I just closed the webpage where I was watching Being Mary Jane. Are you kidding? Okay, we are done. And it's 7:42. So I started at 6:21 or 6:20. So it's been an hour, 20 minutes or so. Okay, I mean, I started twisting it at 6:21. So basically, let's say everything took me about 2 hours to do. That's not bad. So this is it all done. Ooh, scalp is still fresh. I made this scrunchie from African fabric. It's so nice. Oh my gosh, I cannot believe I have a twist that I did myself on my head. I can't believe it. I mean, I had help, but you know what I mean? It's actually quite fast to use compared to how long it usually takes me to do braids, you know what I mean? And I know this is not braids, but that's the only thing I can compare it to. But I guess maybe if I knew how to do my own twist, I don't know if it still would have only taken me about an hour and a half. I mean, my friend that does hair, she does hair really fast. So I'll ask her how long it usually takes her to do twist on her own head and compare notes and just put it on the screen. But literally, the fact that this only took about an hour and a half or so to twist the hair itself, that's really nice. That's really cool. Now, anytime I want twist, I'm going to be reaching for this. This sounds like an infomercial or a commercial, but it ain't. They don't know who I am, but I really, really love this. As if you're someone who don't know how to do twist, get this. This is really nice. And I love the fact that I use this air texture because as I showed you guys in it like earlier, which was days ago, but still in this video, I am confusing myself. As I showed you guys in the previous clips, okay, it's harder to do the twisting on like softer extensions because it will just unravel real quickly. But then actually, even though when it unravels, it just kind of turns into a really loose twist, kind of like those jumbo twists we'll buy on AliExpress, but really loose, okay? So this one feels a lot tighter, and that's because of the texture. So it all comes down to the hair texture that you use as well. So I love this. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. I'm gonna carry this for about a week, you know, and just, oh wow, I look like my dad. My dad has dreadlocks, so I look like him right now. That's interesting. I mean, I look like him even without this kind of hair already anyway, but when I have braids and this kind of hair on, I always look like him, like even more like him. I love this. Oh, watch my workmates tomorrow go, you changed your hair again? Yes, I did, girl. Yes, I did. All right. Thank you so much for watching, babes. I hope you enjoyed this video. I have the Flower Beauty makeup testing video to film, so I'm going to film that soon. Maybe tomorrow before work. Maybe Sunday after church. We'll see. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, let me know down below. Okay, let me know if you've tried this thing before. Beverly actually told me on Instagram that this is quite old, that it's been around for a long time. So let me know if you've actually tried this before, if you've heard of it, and you always like, nah, I ain't gonna get it, you know, because you know it don't look like it's gonna be for my hair because of the picture on the packaging. But let me know what you think. Okay, my twist looks better than this. All right, anyway, thank you so thank you so much for watching. Once again, if you yet subscribe, make sure you join the FamBam, okay? And as always, whatever you do, remember to love yourself, and I'll see you both in my very next video. Bye.